Why not? For a second. First we take the knife.
Oh my god. That's so
Then we take the fork.
That's a knife.
Then you take the, this is sour sauce. Soury sauce. Ryan's eating like a glutton. Good. How do you think? Chicken.
Well, I'm not, and second of all, I'm hungry. That's all I can say.
Beat me up, Scotty.
Once again, please go back to your seatbelt so you do not get stuck with this and go for it.
Okay, he's going away. Thank you.
Here you go, guys.
Oh, great.
I got the Xperia, mine's waterproof.
Whatever.
36 inches or 117 centimeters.
Uh-oh.
Here we go, bump.
No, that means we're gonna be on the
Oh, God.
spin.
That'll work. Oh, here we go.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Nope. Nope.
That's me if it goes, buddy.
First.
Don't squirt me!
Whoa! That one is like pure headshot.
Oh no.
I don't like that. I don't like that.
It's way can't spin this.
I know that.
Whoa!
I'm gonna lie.
Oh man, this is, I haven't been on this since I was a kid.
Oh my God!
Oh!
No!
Oh, right through the... Oh, beautiful!
Oh god.
Oh, this is where I took the picture of you guys before. I lost you.
I hear a sound.
Where the heck is this thing? Oh, yeah. Why is it all... Oh, because of the wide angle. I gotta look this way. I can't look at what I'm doing or else I won't get you guys.
Alright.
Oh, here we go. The backwards side one.
Rapids.
Oh, man. And I'm going backwards.
Oh
Oh, no! Ah. Beauty.
Yeah!
Yeah, sure.
no! Don't.
Just start spraying me.
No,
Thank you.
loser.
Don't speak to the man.
Why? It's not him that really does it. It's the people on the side.
No, actually, they have the
It's
power.
that one. It's the other one.
Oh, right now.
No,
Yes!
he didn't ask you. Good thing this is good in a swimming
We're
pool.
going backwards again.
Thank you!
Thank you.
Whoa!
Was this the drip zone?
Oh
Uh-oh. Oh, no! Oh! I have never, ever got that wet on this thing, ever.
You would have got soaked right there.
Whoa.
Good.
I don't know what.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, yeah. There's no what?
Today.
Oh, good. Sorry, buddy. Stepped on your foot. Oh, here we go. He says, don't stand up in your seat.
I did it.
I did. Is that the end of it?
Yeah.
Really? Seriously?
You didn't get too wet.
No, not at all.
It's not that bad.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Hey, last time we got drenched.
Hey, you guys want to go to Wonderland and do it then.
Go where?
You get soaked.
Not on that one.
Yeah.
That other,
The one that I did, yeah.
Oh.
You get soaked.
Bad news, guys, we lost your knapsacks. We had to ditch them.
Yeah.
Bad news, guys. We lost your parents.
All the lunch is gone.
You should have been in this boat. You want to be famous, do you? When you got the first 60 page of Google, you're famous. This is the best part of the ride. Yeah.
I feel like a
All of a sudden the thing slips, we go back in. That's all right.
gooey.
So fast. You have no idea. When you're 48, then you'll know.
My niece is already 5.
I'll be 49 this month, actually. Hey, we're going back in the lake again.
Back into the
Okay, when do we remove? No, they want to be famous.
There we go, they're back.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.